Hey guys, stopping at a restore that I guess I've never been to before. And they only have one fan, and it is over here. So nothing of interest. I'll do a quick scan through the lighting. Well, that's kind of cool. There's some colored bulbs, some interesting sockets. A lot of older lighting. Not seeing anything of interest. Oh, I did want to point out the one thing that I did see that was cool. Oh, did you see that desk lamp that was kind of cool? I'll show you in a second, but I wanted to point out for the camera, that is probably the coolest thing here. No ceiling fans installed, but that's pretty massive. Okay, well that's it for this stop. Thanks for watching.